The reason why I chose welding is because of the money and also because my dad does it as a career, so I really look up to him. I mean, most of the things were familiar. I knew the basics, but really coming into the class, I was just trying to learn more. And yeah, just getting into all these competitions just really helped me improve in all my welding skills.
I joined welding to honor my dad. He recently passed 2020, so I joined welding to honor him and like seeing what he did as a welder and to, like get experience on what he did and, to know him as a person.
I joined welding because nobody in my family really welds, and I did hear it makes a lot of money, and I just wanted to do something different from my family, I feel like I've learned a lot. I've came a long way since 10th grade. I feel like every day I'm always learning something new.
I wanted to learn a trade that I can not only use as a career to earn money, but also to use like at home, something practical that I could always rely on.
To prepare for the competition, we didn't get much information on it. The week before, we practiced, I practiced stick and MIG.
I really just came in here every day, did different welding positions, just try my best, get my welding angles right, get my temperature right.
I didn't know what exactly we were gonna do. I didn't know like what specifically I had to like hone in on. So I just like did a little bit of everything. My teacher helped me by just like checking my work, teaching me if I needed to improve anything, like being someone there to help me whenever I need it.
We had a 40-question test we had to do in 10 minutes, which I barely finished. Most people didn't even finish it, but that was probably the most difficult part about it. When I got there, I brought my A game, I started eyeing everybody out, I was trying to scare everybody off because, I wanted to win. But yeah, for the most part, I was excited for it.
During the process of the competition, coming into the booth, I was ready. All my nerves, it was shooken off, and I was ready.
I honestly didn't think I was gonna win it, the scholarship. I was kind of surprised at myself, but I was really happy when I won it. I went home proud, told my parents, and they were really happy.
I was a little optimistic about receiving a scholarship. Obviously, I had my doubts, but receiving it, I was surprised.
Right after I heard Johnson got 5th place, I didn't think I was gonna place at all. Because to me, I personally think he's a better welder than me, but then I popped out with 4th, so I was pretty happy I got with that. So now every day I see him, I brag to him.
After hearing my name getting called for the scholarship, I didn't expect to win or to get my name called out, but I did feel a sense of pride, like hearing my name and walking up and shaking their hands and receiving the scholarship.
For the future, I want to go to college for project management. I plan on working at a shop, welding, either structural or pipe, and then going to night classes.
I intend on going to a trade school to go into electrical because my brother does that, and I feel I could be able to surpass him.
I want to stay in the welding career, do it as best as I can. Hopefully, I want to do pipelines, weld out there in Alaska, Wyoming, something like that, and then later on in life, be like a contractor or something like that.
My plans for the future is that I'm gonna do apprenticeship for welding, and then after like getting money and my financial situation, I'll go to college for radiology.